Today the network seems to be very bad, but anyway, I will continue. When it breaks up now. Then you'll have to meet tomorrow. But let me try. Okay, ndakachitara nyaya yaEsau. Ndakachiti zvoni Esau had a case on him that he was going to save his brother for the rest of his life. The only way that he was going to come out of it was to break the yoke off his neck. So I was saying there are so many of us who have got so many necks, and I was giving an example. I was saying you can be yoked together with poverty. You can be yoked together with anti-marriage. You can be yoked together with sicknesses. You can be yoked together with a lot of things. Your deliverance only comes when you are restless, when you are saying, I am tired of this, I am fed up of this. Then you break the yoke off your neck. So the Bible says, and by the sword shall thou live. It's telling you that you are only going to live when you learn to fight, when you know how to fight. Otherwise, without fighting, the devil will take advantage of you. And I was saying there are people that will never amount to anything. They will always become anything out of saving. They are never permitted to do their own thing. So they are enslaved all their lives. Kune vanhu who will never rise up by any other way except by saving. And the Bible is saying, unless you are tired, you become restless, and then you break that yoke. That is only the moment that you experience your deliverance. So unless somebody begins to understand the technology of prayer, and then you break off from every form of bondage, then you break off from every form of yoke that you are yoked to. And unless the yoke is broken, so there's no deliverance. You are not going to come out of that situation unless you are fed up of it. Because out of that frustration,
out of that kuneteswa nesituation yako kana kutambudzwa nesituation yako, the drive to come out is birthed. Kunozvarwa chishuwo chekuda kubuda mumamiro ezvinhu anokumanikidza. Kana chishuwo ichocho chisina kuzvarwa, ndicho chinozvara kana ndicho chinopa simba rekuda kubuda pamamiro ezvinhu ari kukutambudza. Saka shoko riri kuti haukwanisi kubuda pauri kana usina kuneta nazvo, kana usina kufinhukwa nazvo, kana usina kufinhirwa nazvo. Situation yako ikasakunetsa, ukasave nenzara nenyota yekubuda mairi, unoramba uri mairi. Complaining about it will not change it. But it is when you are tired, when you become restless, when you are saying, whatever it will take for me, I will break this yoke. I will break this yoke of poverty. I will break this yoke of barrenness. I will break this yoke of limitation. I will break this yoke of slavery. Unless that yoke is broken, you will continuously be a slave. You are going to be a slave whether to poverty. You are going to be a slave even to, there are people that will be working so hard. They will have 2 or 3 jobs. They have more than one job, and they thought that working hard was supposed to bring a light, or they were supposed to bring life to them. But unfortunately,